Will investing in the SBI Life Smart Platina Supreme Plan help you achieve your financial goals in the long term or not? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual, non linked, non participating life insurance savings product, and some of the key features of the policy are you get life insurance protection, and there are flexible options like flexibility to choose your premium payment term, frequency, policy term, payout period, income payout frequency, all based on your financial needs. You also get additional protection, which allows you to enhance your coverage by opting for the SBI Life Accident Benefit Rider, and it offers you enhanced guaranteed income benefits for higher premium contributions. There is also an option to avail loan facility against the policy, which can be subjected to the insurer's terms and conditions. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages. So the advantages are, as I have already mentioned, there is a loan facility available, which is a maximum limit of 50% of the policy's surrender value, and you can enhance the policy protection by opting for riders in this policy, and there is also a flexible policy structure. However, the drawbacks are the disadvantages. Once selected the policy, the income payout option, which if you have selected at the inception of the policy, cannot be altered during the policy term. Also, the life coverage ceases once the income payout period begins, leaving no protection during this phase, and the income payout period is predetermined at policy inception and cannot be modified later to accommodate changing financial needs. Also, the sum assured may not be sufficient to adequately support your family's long-term financial requirements in your absence, and also regular income payouts may encourage unnecessary spending, which could affect financial discipline and reduce the effectiveness of long-term wealth creation. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis. So here we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy based on the illustrations given in the policy brochure for a much more fair comparison. So here let us assume from the brochure that a 35-year-old male has invested 2 lakh rupees annually for 10 years under this policy with a policy term of 15 years. So upon completion of the policy term, he receives a guaranteed annual income of 2.73 lakhs for the next 25 years. Along with the last income payout, he receives a lump sum payment of 22 lakhs. So based on these cash flows, the IRR works out to be approximately 6.32%. Although the returns are guaranteed, they are relatively modest and may not be significantly higher than those available from certain conservative debt-oriented investment options. Further, since the maturity proceeds are paid as periodic income rather than remaining invested, the benefit of long-term compounding interrupted, limiting the overall wealth creation potential. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative investments. So here, instead of investing in insurance and investment under a single policy, we are going to invest in both separately to see whether that can stand out as the effective solution. So here, for insurance purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy, which is a more cost-effective alternative offering substantially higher coverage at a significantly lower premium. So in the same example discussed earlier, a 35-year-old male can obtain a pure term plan with a sum assured of 22 lakhs by paying an annual premium of approximately 8,800 rupees for 10 years. So compared to the 2 lakh annual premium required under the SBI policy, this leaves around 1.91 lakhs available each year for investments. So as a conservative investor, you may choose debt-oriented options such as PPF, while those seeking higher growth potential can consider equity-oriented investments like equity mutual funds. So let us examine the equity mutual fund approach. Assuming an annual return of 12%, investing the surplus amount for 15 years would result in a corpus of 66.22 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax corpus would be approximately 60.49 lakhs. If this amount is subsequently invested in an instrument generating 7% annual returns, it can support regular income withdrawals while preserving a substantial corpus. So, under this strategy, an annual income of 2.73 lakhs can be generated, similar to the income offered by the SBI policy. However, unlike the plan, this approach still leaves a final corpus of approximately 1.58 crores at the end of the withdrawal period. So the resulting IRR is 8.48%, considerably higher than the 6.32% IRR delivered by the SBI policy. In addition, investors benefit from greater liquidity, flexibility, transparency, and wealth creation potential. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated for tax for the equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for this purpose for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SBI Life Smart Platina Supreme Plan worth it or not? So this policy converts your premium payments into a stream of future income payouts. While premiums are paid for a limited period, the policy provides annual income for a fixed duration selected at inception. Although these payouts are guaranteed, they are not adjusted for inflation, which means their purchasing power may decline over time and may not be sufficient to meet rising expenses. Additionally, the life insurance cover offered under the plan is relatively low and may not adequately support your family's long-term financial needs. The life cover also ceases once the income payout phase begins. So one of the major limitations of the plan is that the annual income payouts disrupt the compounding process. Instead of allowing the accumulated corpus to remain invested and grow, a portion of the value is distributed periodically, restricting long-term wealth creation. So consequently, despite the long investment horizon, the plan delivers only moderate returns. So combined with limited insurance protection, this may leave your family financially vulnerable in the event of an unforeseen circumstance. So what you can do is you can take up a pure term life insurance policy, which is generally a more efficient way to secure your family's financial future, as it provides substantially higher coverage at a much lower cost. For wealth creation as an investor, you can choose dedicated investment avenues that match your risk appetite, financial goals, and investment horizon, such as mutual funds, PPF, or other diversified investment options. Rather than relying on insurance-linked income plans, consider building a well-diversified portfolio, and you can even consult with a certified financial planner if you need professional guidance to help you develop a personalized strategy that effectively separates insurance and investment decisions while aligning them with your long-term financial objectives. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.